This is how I make 2 weeks worth of high protein vegetarian breakfasts in under an hour. You store these breakfast burritos in the freezer where they're going to last for up to 3 months and each one has 21 grams of protein. With vegan chorizo, egg, and a bunch of veggies, we just cannot get enough of these. They are so good. Here's how to make them. We'll start off by roasting a big sheet pan full of veggies. I like to do potatoes, bell peppers, mushrooms, and onion. Season that with some olive oil, and then I like to use ranch seasoning mix here, but you could use really any seasoning you want. While that's all roasting, mix together your eggs. We're doing some whole eggs and a lot of egg whites for that protein, and then cottage cheese and cornstarch. The cornstarch helps to stabilize the eggs so they stay nice and fluffy when they're frozen and then reheated. Then you'll just pour the eggs over those roasted veggies, top it with some vegan chorizo crumbles. You can really use any brand here. Top that with some shredded cheese and then bake it until it's set. Alright, and once that's cooled, cut it into 10 rectangles. I like to just use a spatula to protect my sheet pan. I don't want to use a knife here. And then get to work wrapping those up into tortillas. I have a recommendation for my favorite tortillas on the blog post for this recipe. They're technically low carb, but I like to use them because they're really stretchy and they don't break when you're rolling. Once they're all rolled up, I like to wrap them in parchment paper and then plastic wrap, but you could also do foil. And then if you're going to be storing these for longer than a few weeks, I like to put these wrapped burritos into freezer bags or containers, and that's just to prevent freezer burn. Alright, and now the fun part, let's eat. Grab the burrito you want to eat and wrap it in a damp paper towel and then microwave it for about 2 minutes. And then if you have one, an air fryer for 2 or 3 minutes helps to make the exterior nice and crispy. Such an easy meal prep breakfast idea that we have just been loving in our house. I can't wait for you to try it. Happy eating!